The small plastic device is likely an igniter or starter for the PAR38 lamps. An igniter provides a high voltage pulse to initiate the discharge in a lamp containing gas. Igniters are typically 2 inches long and 3/8 inch in diameter and has 3 leads: white, black, and blue. The igniter may have the GT logo and the letters RPIB, which likely stands for replacement igniter or ballast. To fix the lights, firstly, remove the old igniter from the fixture. Secondly, connect the new igniter's leads to the corresponding wires in the fixture: white to white, black to black, blue to blue. Thirdly, reinstall the igniter in the fixture. To order more igniters, replacement igniters for PAR38 lamps can be ordered from electrical supply stores or online retailers. Some keywords to use when searching are PAR38 igniter, PAR38 starter, GT PAR38 igniter, and RPIB igniter. Before replacing the igniter, ensure that the lamp is not defective. If not comfortable with electrical work, it is recommended to contact a qualified electrician.